you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing FIFA 24, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize game mode. Enable game mode on your PC. This feature prioritizes gaming performance by allocating system resources more effectively. You can find this option in the Windows settings under Gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Check system requirements. Verify that your system meets or exceeds the recommended requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the minimum specifications, consider upgrading components such as RAM or the graphics card for a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability while playing FIFA 24. Enjoy your game.